All right, so now let us understand what is the strategy, what is the method to memorize dates. Okay, so before we jump onto that, we will see one very interesting thing which we have already done in number memorization. We'll just revisit it. What do we see here? Do you see that these images look like numbers? Yes, if you will see, observe minutely, closely, you will see this looks like number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, number 14. So 14, we actually see it like this. One line is down and the other one line is here. $15, 16, 17, 18, when you turn it upside down, it looks as if it's a thief with wearing a mask where only the eyes and the mouth can be seen, like a thief. 19, 'Yeah. So we have objects from 10 to 21. These objects look like the numbers. How are we going to use this in the date memorization? I'll show you that. And in case you are a beginner and you are doing dates using images for even 0 to 9, then we can use the images of 0 to 9 as well. So what does 0 looks like? 0 looks like a donut. 1 looks like a pencil. 2 looks like a swan. 3 looks like a butterfly. Chair looks like an inverted 4. A mug looks like a 5. 6 looks like a whistle. 7 looks like a toothbrush. 8 looks like a snowman. 9 looks like a boxing glove, right? So in case you are a beginner, then you will also need these objects to memorize. Now, let us see how we are going to actually apply this into the numbers. So let's restart this thing. 5-minute dates. We'll go here. Right. We're going to read the events and the years and link them together in the form of a weird, nonsensical story. Okay. So restaurant is on fire. The date is 16 and 84. So 16, what is the object for 16? Object is for 16 is traveler with the trolley bag, right? So this is traveler with the trolley bag, 16. Then what was there for 8 and what was there for 4? So we have the objects of what? Snowman. Okay, so it is snowman and 4 is a chair. Now I need to just link them all together. So when a restaurant got on fire, a traveler came, okay, to save the restaurant. The fire brigade was not coming. So a traveler was having a trolley bag. It came and it opened the suitcase, pulled out the snow from there and started throwing snow on in the restaurant to protect it from fire. And as it, came down, the fire was down. It could see that the chairs were completely saved. Okay, so what did I do? I formed a story of restaurant, traveler, snow, and the chair. Another one. Baboon loses house keys. So what is baboon? It's kind of a monkey, right? Kind of a chimpanzee. Baboon loses house key. 13 and 63. So 13 is what? 13 is a bow, right? The bow through which we shoot an arrow, that bow. What is 6 and what is 3? So 6 is what? 6 is a whistle, right? 6 is a whistle. What is 3? 3 is a butterfly, right? Let's make a story using these objects. So baboon, a big monkey was there, okay? house keys lost. So what did it do? It picked up a bow, okay, threw an arrow with that. It hit a whistle, and the whistle started screaming, butterfly, butterfly, can you help me find the house keys? Fine. So what is it? 1363, right? Then moving on to the next stage. So how much ever time we have, we are going to be doing. 5 minutes are there, we'll do for 5 minutes. A group of cyclopes starts a business. Do you understand what cyclopes is? Just in case you feel that I don't know what this is, you may skip this. You do not have to do this one, right? We can move on to the next one. Sculptures dance at night. So in the night, the sculptures, the statues, they're dancing as soon as the night falls. What is the date? 1722. What is 17? 17 is a bird which is sitting on the tree, right? So that's 17. What is 2 and 2? So 2 is again a swan and 2 is again a swan. Okay, so the sculptures are dancing in the night. Then suddenly what happens? The birds which were there on the tree, they started to come and see them, that wow, such a wonderful show is going on. And birds together got two swans also, that you also come, we're going to see a night show of the sculptures dancing. Okay, so sculptures dancing at night, bird and swan, two swans are coming. Supposedly we have done this way. Now this way you can go on for as long as you want in 1 minute 20 seconds. Okay. Then after that, what we're going to do, we will go to either submit or wait for 5 minutes to elapse. So let's do a recall. Now we need to find out where those dates are. So let's have a look. Do we see any date which we had done? Wizard, monkey, foursquare, murderer, magician, emperors, group of, we did not do this one, right? Group of cyclopes, we didn't do this one. Drug addicts, mom, plane, not there. Let's move. Campsite queen, ape, earthling group, magical, Doraemon, team, gremlins, engine, moon, wizard, artist, cows, calculator. Is it there in this? No. Then next ones, restaurant, green queen, artist, aircraft, dog, mouse, national. Okay, it's not there too. So we'll find all three here. Flock, little sculptures dance at night. So what was happening when the sculptures were not dancing? Who was coming to look at them or see them dance? The bird. 17, bird on the tree, and it got along what? Got along two swans. Two, right? New holiday, socks, boss, cows, sun, parrot, new type, art, chimps, everyone, acrobat, flying pianos, baboon loses the house key. So when the baboon loses the house key, what did it do? It took a bow, okay, and it shot what? It shot onto the whistle, and the whistle started screaming, butterflies, can you help me? So 1363, right? Baboon loses house keys. Then, okay, I think we've missed one. Let's see, where is that? Singer, conspiracy, pandas, baboon, international, flying acrobat. Yes, here it is, restaurant on fire. So when the restaurant was on fire, what happened? Who came to help? The traveler came to help. Opened the suitcase and started spraying what? Snow from the snowman. So 8, okay. And after everything was done, the chairs, were all fine. We saw that, 1684. Yes. Have we done all the 3 dates that we done? Yes. Now we're going to just submit. When we submit, you'll see wherever you've written the correct dates, it will show you those. Okay, whatever you've not written, it will show. And in case it is wrong, then it will show you in red. So this date is correct, this date is correct, and even this date is correct, right? So that was how we do date memorization. So it's very simple. All you need to do is you need to break the date into 2 parts. First 2 parts is going to be the year part. No, not year. It's just the 10 to 20, those digits. And the next 2 parts are going to be any numbers. So just link them together, form a story, and that would be it.